Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, the Gary Kasparov of Intramural Connect for Valvo. Now, last video we talked about adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers. In this video, we're going to kick it up a notch and talk about multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers. Although, honestly, just like fractions, multiplying and dividing is actually easier. Let's go. Multiplying or dividing positive and negative numbers can be done in just two easy steps. Step 1. Ignore the signs and multiply or divide the numbers like usual. Step 2. If there are an odd number of negative numbers, make your answer negative. If there are an even number of negative numbers, make the answer positive. And that's it. So if we have a positive times a negative, there's only one negative. And since 1 is an odd number, the answer is negative.